How to protect your computer. If you're new to working from home, chances are good you simply promoted your existing personal computer to be a work computer. For work, though, you need to take security seriously. Some folks skip antivirus protection altogether on the basis that they've got nothing a hacker would want. They're wrong, but that's not important now. The point is that attitude won't fly when company data is on your device, so get an antivirus installed right away. If you already have an antivirus, check that it's fully enabled and up to date. And check with your boss. Your company's IT group may offer a free license for the official antivirus they've selected. Use antivirus. Installing antivirus and keeping it up to date is a critical step in protecting your computer. Likewise, install an antivirus app on your phone. Be sure to keep them updated. But antivirus is not a magic tool capable of erasing all threats. In fact, this software is based on a database of already known malware, listed in an internal registry. Most often, antivirus updates aim to add new entries. Remove unnecessary software. Intruders can attack your computer by exploiting software vulnerabilities. Consequently, the less software you have, the less vulnerable your computer will be. Therefore, remove any unnecessary software after confirming that it's safe to remove. Likewise, disable non-essential services and cancel unnecessary default features to eliminate several opportunities for attack. Use a secure web browser. Web browsers installed on new computers usually don't have secure default settings. Therefore, securing your browser is a critical step in improving your computer's security as more and more attacks take advantage of web browsers. Make sure you use a trusted one and avoid unnecessary plugins/add-ons. So in order to protect your computer, follow these steps discussed in the video. I hope you like the topic, so please like, share, and subscribe.